Well, it is Wednesday evening, and I am in the office. Put out a blog article regarding drones. I don't normally write articles on drones or criminal cases involving drones. I have never handled one and really don't expect to handle one. But drones are an issue this week and likely the entire month, at least in New Jersey. There's been reports of drones flying across New Jersey, different parts, North Jersey and South Jersey and Central Jersey. So they're all over, and the local leaders have asked people in Washington and politicians have gone back and forth regarding the cause of these drones or where they're coming from. Apparently, there was some meeting today regarding them, and officials met with I believe the state police or something. And there's been reports about where they're coming from. Some say it's a military operation. I've read something today that they're coming from Iran, and we should shoot them down. But that's the point of the article that I wrote today. What can you do regarding drones, and what can you do if the drone is over your property? Well, the bottom line is you can't shoot it down. So just legally know that the drones are considered aircraft under federal law. And I'm going to link in the article that I wrote on it. It's a short article, but basically, federal law covers aircrafts, including drones, which are considered again aircraft under the federal system. It is a federal crime to shoot them down. It is also a state crime, especially in New Jersey and probably in every state. In New Jersey, I just put in a couple of crimes that you could be charged with if you engage and shoot down a drone. Even if you are in legal possession of the handgun or the firearm that you use to take it out, they can still charge you with possession of a firearm for unlawful purpose. They'll likely charge you with criminal mischief. Those are both indictable offenses in the Garden State. Criminal mischief can be graded at various levels. It can be considered a crime of the third degree or fourth degree. It can be graded at that level if it causes substantial damage or depending on the amount of damage you cause, whether or not it actually interrupts some type of public utility. So again, it's important to understand your rights, what you can do. I believe that if you see a drone, you should just contact police, let them know that you've seen it. I'm not sure if they're tracking these things or they're trying to find out more about them, but that's really all you can do. Even if it's over your property, you don't have the right to shoot it down. Some people have asked me, well, if it's over my property, I own my property, I own the air above it. Well, no, you don't. You don't actually own the airspace above your property. You obviously own the land. You own the structure, what is on the land, which is your home, probably, or garage or whatever, but you don't own the airspace. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. I'm going to put the blog article in the description of this video. I'm also going to put links to our blog. It is Wednesday. Friday, we're coming out with a weekly update, which goes out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Some fantastic articles. We're getting to the end of the year. I am writing a lot of articles on the holiday season, the things that we see mostly during the holiday season. Also putting out a lot of articles regarding students and holiday break. Again, things that we see because we believe that an educated client, a person who understands their rights, is in the best possible position to receive a great result in their case, and also educate themselves on what to do if you are stopped by police, how to act, what to say, what not to say, which is usually the most important thing. But again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Wednesday. Watch out for those drones, and I'll talk to you all very soon.